Kerosene supply is staring at a drastic decline in demand in the remaining part of this year as the anti-adulteration levy takes effect. According to the Energy Regulatory Commission, up to 7.5 litres of every 10 litres consumed in the country were used in adulteration, something the Commission says the new levy will help control. Julian Samboko has more.
The Energy Act of 2006 vests the Energy Regulatory Commission with the mandate of testing samples of all petroleum products as a measure of quality control. This exercise entails checking for the kerosene marker whose presence signals adulteration of the product. It is against this backdrop that the Finance Act of 2018 introduced the anti-adulteration levy at 18 shillings for every litre of kerosene, with the goal of raising the product's price and deterring its use in adulteration. Suppliers of kerosene could now be bracing for consumption which falls significantly below the 361,000 tonnes annual average over the last 5 years if the Energy Regulatory Commission's preliminary findings are anything to go by.
I can assure you we have seen tremendous change. The quantities of kerosene being taken from the depots has actually reduced considerably. That will tell us that our own studies is that a lot of it, more than actually 70 or 75% was going into adulteration. So we are seeing serious gains.
As the Energy Regulatory Commission celebrates gains from the new levy in tightening the noose on fuel adulteration, the question of affordability for low-income households remains a matter of grave concern. Julian Samboko, NTV.